we're back. Hello, everybody. We are here to open 7 Lorcana boosters. Ursula's Return, the most recent release from the franchise. Now, I've no idea what's in here. There is a little bit of a taster on the back there. 12 randomised cards. Without further ado, let's crack open and crack on, she says. Wow, these are good. And then we've got the really tough plastic to open. 10,000 pieces of cardboard later. Might be able to get my first booster out. Okay, what's this one? Oh, it's one of these puzzle pieces again. When we got out of the first set. So, Ursula's Vanessa. Roseland. Oh, we're doing landscape cards now. Hidden Cove. Oh, this must... Oh, I was just going to say this must all be based on The Little Mermaid, and there's Olaf, so obviously not. Mickey Mouse, the Standard Bearer. Flounder. Good old Flounder. John Silver, Terror of the Realm. Can't remember if that's... I think that's a rare. I believe we've got Yen Sid. Powerful sorcerer. I'm assuming he's from the Sorcerer's Apprentice. And Ariel for a... Maybe that's a super rare. This is certainly a foil anyway. Foil Ariel.
That's legendary, I think.
This is possibly legendary. Okay. Right, there we go. Right, I'll see if I can do this a bit better this time, but I doubt I will. This cardboard rather doesn't really want to tear into anything other than a bazillion pieces. Oh, there we go. As you can see, the usual kerfuffle with opening packets, much to the chagrin of the director, Li Shang. Hands, the noble scoundrel indeed. Prince Eric, Ariel, Felix Madrigal, Li Shang again, Sisu, Noi for our non-foil, matching one of those, a Mickey Mouse Musketeer Captain, very nice, and a Megara Captivating Cynic foil common there. Foil over there. It's common, so that's why it's over there. Oh, got a girl in that piece. Off the puzzle, Daisy Duck, Diablo, Maleficent Spy, seldom all they seem, Chimpo, Hey Hey, love Hey Hey, Hades, the Muses, goes without John Silver there, Aurora the Law Guardian, and a foil Elsa Storm Chaser. Very nice. Everybody loves a Storm Chaser. Ah, look at that. One piece this time. Nice. Oh, oops. What is it with cards and having some sort of layer of air forming between them, which means they just slide over each other like they're made out of something really slippery. Oh, very annoying. I think we had a piece before. It's a 9. I should imagine it's 9 pieces. Certainly not 4 anyway. Well, I don't think it's 4. I'm going to say 9 and I'm probably wrong. Mickey Mouse again. I find them, I flan them. That's from Encanto by the looks of things. Would you recommend Encanto? Why not comment down below? Gaston, indeed, for our slightly more rare card. We've got Pete, Born to Cheat. And we've got a Mickey Mouse Standard Bearer common foil there. No idea what the enchanteds are in this set. What do you think of Lorcana as a card game? Do you think it is on its way out? Controversial, perhaps. Into the Inklands wasn't very commercially well received. Not very big sellout like previous sets. Certainly not like the first set, anyway. So, is it on its way out? You comment down below. Controversial or not? You decide. Oh, wrong way around. Okay. Oh, another landscape card. Training Grounds this time. Back to our Rose Lantern. The Fates. Only one eye. Pascal. There we are. Rial. The Mob Song. Oh, yes, from Beauty and the Beast. I do remember that. Medallion Weights. Interesting. Alma Madrigal. The Muses again. And a foil version of this rarity Tia, and it's Hercules' beloved hero. 2 packs left. Chances, of course, getting an enchanted card are pretty slim anyway. So, not surprising. But we haven't got one yet. There's always the last pack, or indeed this one. So, Vitalisphere. I wonder if they have any plans to do a Star Wars or Marvel crossover with these. Yet another Marvel or Star Wars thing, I suppose, but might help to boost the popularity, at least to, for a certain time. Raja there. Belle, the accomplished mystic. Ah, that's where that comes from, I see. No, not there. And Ursula, the Sea Witch Queen, for the most rare card of the set. Type one below, enchanted. That's our second foil of that. No, it's our first and only foil of that ilk. Sorry, I beg your pardon. That was in completely the wrong place. I am mixing these up very well and good. Never mind. And chaotic at best. And our last pack. Do we get luck? E. Probably not. Ooh. Oh, okay. 2 more people there. Don't think we haven't completed the puzzle. Hercules the clumsy kid. Everyone can relate to that, especially me with the way I speak. Poor unfortunate souls. Oh, that's from The Little Mermaid, isn't it? I remember that. Jacques. Cogsworth. Argies the Cyclops. Apologies if I pronounced that incorrectly. Ursula the Mad Sea Witch, Pegasus there. Lumiere the Fiery Friend. The wrong place. Field of Ice. And our last foil is Pain. A foil Pain from Hercules. I haven't actually got a uncommon foil pile. So as you can see, these are all round the wrong way. Let me slide these ones up so that you can see our haul, as it were. So we've got our super rare Mickey Mouse. I think it's super rare, maybe legendary. I can't remember, I'm very sorry. And Yen Sid there, the gold pentagon rarity type. And we have our foil of that same Tia, the Ursula Sea Witch Queen there.
I think that's legendary. Silver is super rare.
Legendary, super rare. That makes sense. Thank you very much. Oracle. Ariel, the treasure collector. Collecting her treasure. For our super rare. And then our rare foils, we have Hercules and Elsa, the Storm Chaser. Of course. How do you think we did? Why not comment again down below? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you all very soon. Ta-ta.